We will go over how you can use Google Slides during synchronous learning. Start with a Google slide deck that your students can edit. I have this one where students can move the chips to model a number. On each slide, you can add a text box for students' names. If you have multiple activity slides like this, create one slide in front with a student name box. Then duplicate the slide as many times as you need, and as you duplicate, update the slide number so students know exactly which slides are theirs. Next, change the sharing settings so that anyone with the link can edit. This will allow all students to access the slides. You can choose Elkhart or anyone. Once you're done, you can either copy the link or make it easy for them to join, create a QR code right in Google Chrome. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Create QR Code for this page. A QR code will pop up on the screen and you can either download it or copy it. Share this QR code with your class so students can scan it with their devices and instantly join the slides. This is perfect when you are in the meet. It will quickly send the students right where they need to be. Once students are in, switch to grid view. You'll see all the slides in one place, and each student's Google icon will appear in the corner of their slides. You can hover over the icon to see which student it is, and at the bottom of the screen, you can zoom in or out on the grid to increase or decrease how many slides you see at once. As students work, you'll be able to monitor all of their progress in one space. This makes it easy to check understanding, give quick feedback, and keep everyone on track without jumping between individual slides. I love using this and seeing students work simultaneously. Be sure to practice in person before attempting to do this online, since students will need to practice finding and staying on the right slides. That's how you can use Google Slides with synchronous learning. And as always, thanks for watching.